myself, Parsuram Dar, teacher, JHSS Lingate, teaching subject science of class 9th. The location of our school is Lingate in the district Kupwara and the UTR Jammu and Kashmir. The objectives of my project, which I am going to deliver, is to achieve the desired learning outcomes in the students by using the formative assessment technique by which students may be able to differentiate between the different forms of WBCs, being the project title of my project, in which I will describe the structure of WBCs, types of WBCs, and their structural difference, by which students would be able to answer the questions at the end of the session. The action steps taken to describe the structure of WBCs. WBCs called white blood copper cells. These are colorless nucleated cells. There are two types of WBCs, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes are called granulocytes because they contain granules in their cytoplasm, and on the basis of their standing properties they have been differentiated into granulocytes, and agranulocytes are WBCs which does not contain granules in their cytoplasm. Coming to the granulocytes, we have three types of granulocytes. Number one is neutrophils, number second basophils, and number third is eosinophils. Coming to the neutrophils, these neutrophils, they contain multilobar 3 to 7 lobar nucleus. These neutrophils have the property of their phagocytic in nature. That means they can engulf any foreign substance which comes into their contact. These neutrophils constitute 55 to 60% of the total leukocytes. Now coming to the basophils. These basophils are also type of granulocytes. They contain S-shaped nucleus. These basophils, 1% of basophils release histamine, heparin, and serotonin. These basophils releasing histamine, heparin, and serotonin. This heparin is anticoagulant which prevents the coagulation of blood into blood vessels. And then coming to the third type of granulocytes, that's eosinophils. These eosinophils contain two lobar nucleus. The two lobar nucleus present in eosinophils they also represent 2 to 3% of the total leukocytes, and they have the ability to detoxicate the foreign substances, the toxic substance in the body, and their the number of eosinophils may increase in case of infection, bacterial, viral, and any other infection. Now, coming to the impact of the objective. Impact of the project. The impact of the project is that students were able to differentiate between different types of the WBCs, that's granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes, they were able to differentiate on the basis of their structure by using the formative approach of the assessment. The students were able to answer the questions which were asked to them at the end of the session. The students which were taught the structure and the structural difference between different types of WBCs, the students were able to respond to questions well in feasible manner. This shows that the students have achieved the desired learning goals by studying the structure of different WBCs. Thank you very much.